So today is my topic is the principle of education and teaching learning process. First one is the learning. I already teach you, but in the your teaching level. So first one is the definition of the learning. In any activity called learning so far as development the individual makes his or her behavior experience different from the what you would otherwise have been. Means what to learning other people and how to modify your behavior. Second one is the nature of the learning. Means what is your behavior view? Yes. So behavior is we learning to change behavior as a result experience. Means in childhood and now your difference, right? So whenever to like a more than older you, that time to give a good experience and how to behave for other peoples. Gaslight according to this learning dependent on the gaslight configurations means always of the situation. What is to how to explain that, right? So that time to the what your reaction to do. That is the learning. For me, the view as the development like a Maggie McDonald is to stress to purposefully nature of the learning. What is your purpose? What to explain that? It is a learning. Learning is a goal directed activity, right? Means what to learn for other people and all. Trial error view. The views were put forward by a Thornick. It is conduct many experience on the dog, cat, fish conduct and the most learning takes place like a trial error. Means in your psychology in first year that time give you one of the theory trial and the error theories is like so many stories in in your this theory like a dog cats like in the cravings in the cage and after get to the food, right? So the attempt to what to learning is like try and try, right? I mean, when there are so many times to in the field in idea, but last one is a success to the mission. Learning is a process which involves a series of steps. The first one is the motive for a learner, establishing the goals. Third one is the teacher-student adjustment. Fourth one is the change in the behavior and people. And five one is the fixation of the stabilization of the behavior. The first one is the motivate more in the learning motivate to the person. Second one is the goal achievement, and after then learning so many things. And third one is the teacher and student adjustment, with how to communication teachers and the students communication, change in behavior and the people. Means whenever to learn so many things to get good, very educated people had time to give a good behavior and good communication to the people. And last one is the fixation and the stabilization of the behavior. Is how to behavior to the other people and react. And the last one is the learning cooperative process is elementary cooperative learning. First one is the group processing, second one is the individual group accountability, third one is the promoting face-to-face interaction, independence, and last one is the learning social skills. Means how to group discussion in that way, individuals group activity or not. Promote your face-to-face interaction means face-to-face contact, face-to-face to like explain the question and everything to how to respond positive or negative side, and the positive way to how to explain in detail for the like a topic and all. And learning so many things like how to behave, how to communication with the other people. So characteristic of the learning, there are a learning, it is a like a purposefully individual like unitality. Means there's so many things to learn like how other people, your master faculties to contain different and all. And second one is the creativity modify the behavior individuals is help organization of the experience. Is whenever to like first year, second year, third year, and last one is the yeah all included to the all included data for your mind. The time to like all subjects to get a knowledge something like 50% right that time to learn so many things in the future in the mastery content. It's very helpful to make a choice your life, right? That time to like I'm very clever in the your MSN or the CHN subject, that time to choose your MSN master in your content. It's help to bring a change your life. It's help to tell the continuous professional to do development, and that goes with the trends development of the particularly fields. So next is the teaching. Meaning of the teaching. Right? Teaching is a form is an interpersonal influence aimed by changing the behavior and potential of the another person. Right? So how to teaching and how to do the communication with the people. Nature of teaching. This all is means a tubular process, interactive process plays with the multiple to the how to conduct the class and what is the plan. Like today is my today's my topic is this one teaching and how to process, how to explain that, and there are so many like a use of blackboard and the PPTs, video and all. There are effective for the communication, right? It's also to motivation, like so many example given and to learn so many things. Also to the guide to the people like how to teach and how to explain that these are particularly things, right? And also to maintain the professional activities as well, and it is a ad that is a good explanation and all get information helps with the teaching like information and the skill and all. So principle of the teaching, so teaching's principle is what is good behavior, good development to the weakness. Whenever the topic have a we attempt to teach more information regarding for the teaching and all information to get all information collected and after that to the explain that. And the principle of teaching are a discuss and a discuss to the point of subheading and absent empathy. General principle and the specific principle to teach all these things. And the third one is the psychological principle of the teaching is also good. General principle of the teaching. Teaching means define your aim, activity was to do, and the principle of the correlations. What to do in the relationships and all. Principle of the planning and principle of the flexibility and the relaxation. So general principle of the utilization past experience is whenever to like in your secondary high school, that time to like how to divide it in the work, that time is also key. Second one is the principle of the pupil centralization, mean the all people to have a maintain your work and equality. Third one is the principle of the individual differences, right? Means improve your like a leadership and all activities too. Principle of the effective strategy and the instruction material. Use the good work and all. Principle of the conductive environment and the proper control. And this is a general principle. Principle of the diagnostic and the recommended teaching. General principle in the hospital side to notice what is the diagnosis and then to give a treatment. Second one is the principle of the suggestiveness, right? May not like a suggestion. You also do like a touch it the patient and after that take a decision. And the principle of the progressiveness means you to improve your improve to the patient condition, like to have a more than fever in 100 over to give a medication or give a cold therapy now. Last second one is the principle of the democracy and the principle of the lubrication of the mind, means to support to the psychological support give and also like a good communication for the good health. Psychological principle of the teaching. So motivation and interest, what is the topic and how to communication, how to cooperation and good creativity and recreation of the education. Principle of the sympathy and the kidneys. Whenever to talk any person or in the hospital side, good to give like a good company and good advice and also to good communication with the patient. Patient of the repetition and the exercise to do like a health education given in the health related diet, food and the like a health related all daily routine and all. Principle of the deadlines need to give a good connection with psychological principle of the teaching. Principle is the change and grace. Principle providing to training and sense. Means to, students to give a good communication and the teaching properly to plan wise and change whenever to change your plan. That time to give a properly give a training and after that to submit their content. Principle of the feedback and the reinforcement means your positive say your negative side and all. Principle of the group dynamics into all the group connectivity, the positive negative, how to give a like a group activity equality, and the some students are working who are not their races. Principle of the creativity and the self-explanation means all students have explanation like a some dumb and some clear, your voice, writing task, all these included in the creativity. Principle of the encouraging self-learning is also to like a self-learning with the teaching. Maximum of the teaching, simple and complex, easy to difficult, known and unknown, part or whole. Means all this teaching in like a simple way, turn to like a difficult, some like a easy, and someone is a known unknown example to give an part in the whole, like how to equip in your mind and the whole part to the dividation. The second one is a uh, maximum teaching is a concentrate to particular topic, particular to general, like particular topic to attention more, and general to not like discussing more, analyzing the data and how to explain that and empirical rationale, and how to the explain that in also to check like a cross verification questions. Maximum of texting actually just what is the representation and the first one is the induction of the detection general to specific and specific to general. Maximum of the maxi maximums of teaching indefinite and definite over with the detail observing the reasoning and the follow-up nature. But what you explain in the introduction on what introduction and overall for the teaching and observation to reasoning and after that follow. So all are the included in the teaching and the learning. Thank you.